Hi everyone, I'm Meghna and today I'm going to demonstrate the project called Strain Analysis based on eye blinking. It is a computer vision project and the technologies used are Python and OpenCV. It's my first project on Smart Intents platform, and before going into the project, I would like to say that it is a guided step-by-step project and these steps are very easy to understand. In case if you are stuck anywhere, mentors are always there to guide us and they do respond very quickly in this platform called Slack. Now, going into the project. This is a system that monitors and alerts a person if he is getting stressed based on the eye aspect ratio. Detecting eye blinks is important in real-time scenarios. Generally, on an average, a person blinks 10 to 14 times per minute. Let us consider two situations. Driver drowsiness. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, every year about 1 lakh accidents are taking place because of the drowsy driving. And the second situation is dry eye. A workday without a computer is hardly possible these days. Staring at the screen for hours and hours puts an enormous strain on the eyes, and it results in dry eyes. This type of system is useful in both scenarios mentioned before. This system uses an integrated webcam to capture the eye movements and to count the number of times a person blinks. If the count deviates from the average blink count, that is 10 to 14 times, it will alert the person to take some rest. To capture a blink, we need to calculate the eye aspect ratio. To understand about eye aspect ratio, first we need to know about face landmark predictor. Shape predictor is a file that we need to download in our system. It is used to represent the regions of the face. This is how it looks like. So when we give an input video, it localizes the face in the given image and detects the facial features. Generally, it labels these regions: mouth, nose, eyes, eyebrows, and the jaw. In our project, for blinking, we only need the eyes on the face. So in our Python code, shape predictor considers the coordinates 36 to 41 and 42 to 47 and detects those points on our face to capture the blinks. Now, coming to the eye aspect ratio. So once the predictor detects the coordinates of the eyes, we take those values to calculate the eye aspect ratio. As we see here, we calculate the distance between vertical and horizontal lines using the face predictor points from P1 to P6. And then we use an algorithm to compute the value of the eye aspect ratio. When the eye is open, the eye aspect ratio will be around 0.3. And when the eye is closed, the eye aspect ratio falls behind 0.3, indicating that a blink has occurred. So now we consider two conditions. If the eye aspect ratio is less than 0.3, a blink is occurred, and if the number of blinks per minute is greater than 10, an alert is initiated indicating that the person is stressed. To initiate an alert, we use these libraries in our code. Google Text-to-Speech is used to make the audio message, and that audio message is played using the PlaySound library. Generally, a text to alert a person is written inside the Google Text-to-Speech library, and then it is converted into the audio message, and this audio message is played using PlaySound library. Along with the audio message, a pop-up message is also generated using the Python tkinter library. Tkinter is basically the graphical user interface in the Python. Now, while running the code in the command prompt, we need to provide the shape predictor path along with the video path if the video is presented in the disk. If not, the video is taken using the webcam. And then when we run this, the output will be something like this. Blinks will be counted and the eye aspect ratio is calculated. Now, based on the conditions, if blinks are more than 10 and eye aspect ratio is less than 0.3, the audio message generated indicating the person to take the rest. And pop-up message is also generated as we can see here. This is the explanation of strain analysis based on eye blinking. Thank you.